Yes, look what I got, look what I got. Alturo. Let's see. Dang, it's big. That's what she said. Woohoo! So, let's continue. What do we have here? Are these lights? This should be pretty easy to so-called install. Here we have our manual. No thanks. But let's see, what do we have here? Let's see. Simple as that. Battery is here. And listen this. Let's take those off later. So what next? This is fine. We can charge battery here. Okay, that looks cool. Next, what do we have here? We probably need to install this here. This is our... Okay, here we go. Menu, power. Please read the manual first. Of course, always do. We need to have these. And we need to add this here. And that's ready. How do we use these? Probably like... How do we use this? Hey, here we go. Or not. Hey, here we go. Yes, perfect. That works. Is it done? Can I use it? Let's see. Hey, battery is pretty low. Okay, and we do have app. Yes, here we go. Let's connect. Let's start searching. Here we go. Name your e-scooter. E-scooter will lock up automatically after every 10 years. In order to keep riding, you must reconnect to your e-scooter. Okay. Battery 28%. We have lights. Yay. What else? Account. Support. Yeah. We can lock. I like that. Statistics, yeah, that's good. Are we done? I don't know. Let's try. Indoors. Please do not try this at home. Please do not try this at home. Damn, it's fast. Okay, maybe we should continue outside. But now let's charge the battery. So, No fender brake, do not step. Okay, let's remember that. How do I remove this? Hey, here we go. Okay, and how do I put it back? Simple as that. Take it off. And then charge it. And then let's try. So first run with Augment. So here we go. It's pretty powerful. Damn, it's powerful. I like it already. And is it better than the previous one? Yes, I have to say. And now we have some uphill coming. Let's see. Oh, this doesn't slow down. I like it. Oh, that ride was smooth, have to say. How do I shut it? Like this. And then we go home. Oh, there's another one with electric scooter. Let's go. We are back home. Yes, charging is gonna take a while. As you can see, red. I have charged this already a couple of hours and still not full. But now I have to go again to shopping, etc. But anyways, this is cool that I can remove the battery and charge it elsewhere. That is pretty cool. But now let's go for a ride once again. You just take this battery and go. Simple as that. Put the battery back on. Simple as that. And let's go. Oh, straight away it's very fast. Let's go here. It's already in 25 kilometers per hour. Works pretty well, even if you are on the gravel or in tarmac, as you can see. So, first impressions, looks pretty cool. Good device, I like. Let's start riding with it. Just kick and go. Simple as that.